Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are packing up our beautiful campsite on the St. Joe River to head up the canyon to see if we can get to a campsite we were at a couple of years ago and just to see what we can find. Little did we know what the road actually held. We were met with so much burn devastation from a fire that took place last summer, along with major trees and boulders that came down from the flooding this area experienced during the winter, and along with our favorite, snow. So we made the decision to turn back around and head back down the canyon.
All right, after a heartbreaking afternoon, we're back at
a river spot.
Yep, last week's video.
It's so pretty though. Oh gosh, and it feels so good. It's so warm. Ah.
Yeah, it's a good 70 degrees right now.
Yeah.
75. Jeez. Might try some fishing later and might take a hike down. There's something cool down that way, so we might go venture out. So
maybe
stay tuned, but let's get a little bit of setup here.
Yep.
Alright, thought I would break out the fly pole and take my chances. I mean, don't see anything jumping, but there are a lot of bugs, and I know we're way early in the season, in April, but hey, why not? I got this pack rod that we got for when we went to visit Kyle in Alaska, and it's actually a pretty nice pole. I really like using it. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Wow. I gotcha.
Is that a beer can? Oh, just toss it.
Look at Brian looking like a weirdo trying to catch a fish in April. But you're not going to not go to frickin' the St. Joe River and not try to fish. I don't even care if it's frickin' December. And he's okay. Hey, fishy. No, fishy. Well, that was fun. Looks like the one thing we caught today was 2 empty twisted teas.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See how easy that was?
What a concept.
What?
What's for dinner?
We are making chicken quesadillas. So we didn't bring any food with us, and we just went to the grocery store after we left Spokane. So I just got some oven roasted shredded chicken, and I threw some like taco seasoning, just a little bit of taco seasoning in it. So we've got like our meat. I cooked it up. I mean, it's already cooked, but warmed it up, grilled it up. And then we got these awesome, like, authentic homemade burrito shells. So we're gonna fill it with chicken, cheese, fold it up, grill it, and we're also gonna make a little bit of nachos.
Yep.
And we got some salsa and sour cream.
Yay.
Yay. Quesadilla. My nachos, the cheese are not melting.
Numb.
Yeah.
Back about 24 years ago or so, you were 17 when this happened.
This whole thing
It's sketchy out there.
The time,
We hiked up Tumalo Creek.
Oh, it's squatchy out there.
It's a time slowed down.
Oh yeah.
That's where we had to wear our micro spikes.
Yeah, on the snow. Good night.
And good night. Apparently we're both really tired.
I guess so. We felt a couple drops, but now we see stars. So.
Yeah. Who knows?
What are we going to wake up to in the morning? Tune in and find out.
The biggest question on everybody's minds.
Wow, I got no words except good night.
Good night.
See ya.
Oh, hey there. Good morning. Well, guess what? The rain started earlier than it was supposed to. Yay!
Imagine that.
Imagine that.
But whatever.
But we got
It's all
packed up. We got cleaned up. We got coffee. It is 8 a.m. and we have a 8-hour drive ahead of us
Something like that.
to drive from Idaho. What an amazing 2 days on the St. Joe. Like, this camp spot, I mean, you can't go wrong with a riverside camp spot.
Nah, that's
all.
why we came back.
Yeah.
I mean, we were bummed about everything.
Yeah, not being able to get up
the road.
and just the fire damage and all of that. So
Still
it's
bummed.
sad.
Yep. But thank you for everybody that's helped cleaning up this road and everything up above that could come down on this road.
There's so much danger.
Yeah.
Oh, it's bad.
Yeah. So big thanks to everyone who do that. And we'll be back.
Yeah, and if you're in this area, go check out Avery. They have an awesome like fishing supply store.
Yeah.
They have
Ice
a little
cream.
brewery, the best ice cream ever. So if
Yeah.
you're in Avery, go check it out and give them some business.
Just go up to Avery. It's fun.
It's so cool up here.
Yeah.
And gosh, it's so beautiful too. Like you can't beat it. And the fishing. Hey, even though you didn't catch anything yesterday, it was still great to get out.
Well, you got to go at the right time.
Well, yeah, it is April, so. Okay, so we are going to hit the road, and we will see you on our next adventure, which will be hopefully Central Oregon.
Hopefully Central Oregon.
Yeah,
Last one with the truck until our big trip. So.
Yeah, next trip is the trailer, and then yeah,
Stuff.
Big things coming.
Yep.
Woo!
Big trip. All right. Let's get out of here.
All right, we'll see you on the next adventure.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye. Splash fish on, baby. It's gonna be a comedy hour here. Kind of looks weird,
It's like you're lassoing something.
but it dries off the fly, and then I can go like that. Give me some more slack, and then I can roll cast.
Oh, okay.
That one sucked.
Oh, you got two?
Chips with cheese on them.
Pretty much. It's food, ain't it?
Yeah.
And you know what you get for dessert?
Caca. Ah. Da. Da.
Hero.
Kikiro. Kit Kat time.
Back and forth, back and forth.
Oh.
Said bye.
Oh, came back. Like we never left.